My name is Madhavi, working in COE, Vardhanapet. How does the heart beat? You say it as lub-dub. For this lub-dub sound to be heard, a sequence of events are going to take place in the heart, which we call it as the cardiac cycle. The events from one heartbeat to the next heartbeat, we call it as the cardiac cycle. This cardiac cycle has three phases: atrial systole, ventricular systole, joint or cardiac diastole. Systole means contraction of the chambers of the heart and diastole means relaxation of the chambers of the heart. Initially, at the beginning, the heart will be in the relaxed state. When it is in relaxed state, the right atrium is going to receive deoxygenated blood by the vena cava and the left atrium is going to receive oxygenated blood by the pulmonary veins. And this blood from the atria is going to enter into the ventricles through the atrioventricular valves present between the atria and ventricles, which are open, and semilunar valves are closed. The first step in the cardiac cycle is the atrial systole. The sinoatrial node, which is present in the right atrium, generates an action potential which is going to travel through two atria, and both the atria simultaneously contract and they push the blood into the ventricles, called as atrial systole, and the duration is 0.1 seconds. In the atrial systole, it is going to count for 30% of the blood and the remaining blood will already enter into the ventricles in the diastolic stage. And the second step is ventricular systole. In the ventricular systole, the action potential which is present in the sinoatrial node, it is going to move into atrioventricular node present in the right atrium, and from there it travels into bundle of His and then into Purkinje fibers into the muscles of the ventricles, and the ventricles are going to contract. And this is called as ventricular systole and the duration is 0.3 seconds. When the ventricles start contracting, the pressure inside the ventricles is going to increase, which may result in the backward movement of the blood. To avoid that backward flow of blood, the AV valves are going to close and the first heart sound is heard, which we call it as the lub. Now, the semilunar valves which are present at the base of the systemic and pulmonary aorta, they are going to open and the blood from the ventricles is going to move into the aorta and into the circulating pathways. And the last stage is the diastolic stage, coming back to the relaxed state. In this stage, the ventricle starts relaxing and even the atria also start relaxing, and there is a chance that blood from the aorta can move back into the ventricles. To avoid that backward movement of the blood, the semilunar valves are going to close, and when the semilunar valves are going to close, the second heart sound is heard, which we call it as the dub. When the ventricles further start relaxing, further relax, these atrioventricular valves, they open. When they open, blood from the atria is going to enter into the ventricles and entire four chambers of the heart, they come back to the relaxed state, which is called as the diastolic stage, which counts for 0.4 seconds. The entire cardiac cycle duration is 0.8 seconds. So heartbeat is 0.8 seconds and it is 75 times per minute, and we normally take it as 72 times per minute. So cardiac cycle is contraction and relaxation of the chambers of the heart, which help in pumping the blood from the heart to the organs and from organs to the heart. So children, I will ask you a simple question. In the heart sound lub and dub, which is going to sound more, which is going to have a high pitch? Thank you, and tomorrow's our session will be cardiac output and double circulation.